There is a person in your life, a boss, a stranger, a crush, a new friend, and every time you see them, something happens inside you. Your heart beats faster, your hands get cold, your mind goes blank, and the words just disappear. You open your mouth. Nothing comes out, and that person walks away. While you stand there thinking, why can't I just talk? If you felt that, you are not alone. And today, that changes forever. Chapter 1. The Boy Who Couldn't Speak. Let me tell you about Daniel, a smart boy. Good heart, good mind, but terrible at talking to people. In school, he knew all the answers, but never raised his hand. At work, he had great ideas, but never spoke in meetings. At parties, he stood in the corner, watching everyone laugh and talk. Feeling completely invisible, he told himself, I am just not a people person. Some people are born to talk. I am not one of them. And he believed that for years, until one day, everything changed. Chapter 2. The Moment. Daniel was sitting in a coffee shop, alone, as usual. An old man sat next to him, white hair, warm smile. He looked at Daniel and said simply, Quiet day, isn't it? Daniel panicked inside, but he took a breath and said, Yes, very quiet. The old man smiled. You know, I used to be just like you. Daniel looked at him. Scared of people? Daniel asked. Terrified, the old man said. So what changed? Daniel asked. The old man leaned forward and said something Daniel never forgot. I stopped trying to impress people and started trying to understand them. That one change made me the best communicator in every room. Daniel sat with those words for a very long time. Chapter 3. The Secret. Here is what Daniel learned, and what I want you to know today. Most people think good talkers are born confident. Wrong. Most people think you need perfect words. Wrong. Most people think talking is about you. Wrong. Talking is about them, the person in front of you. When you walk into a room, stop thinking, what will they think of me? Start thinking, what does this person care about? Ask simple questions. How was your day? What are you working on? How did that make you feel? Then listen. Really listen, not to reply, but to understand. Because here is the truth. People don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel. Make them feel heard. Make them feel important. And they will love talking to you. Every single time. Chapter 4. 3. Simple rules. Daniel practiced 3 simple rules every single day. Rule 1, smile first. Before any word comes out, smile. A real smile. It opens every door. Rule 2, use their name. People love hearing their own name. That is a great point, Sarah. I agree with you, James. Simple. Powerful. Unforgettable. Rule 3. Ask one good question, not 10 questions. Just one, a real question. That shows you actually care. That is it. 3 rules. Daniel practiced them every day. With strangers, with colleagues, with everyone. And slowly, the fear disappeared. The words came back, and Daniel became someone people loved talking to. So let me ask you, is there someone you want to talk to? A person you have been avoiding? A conversation you keep postponing? Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for the perfect words. Just smile, ask one question, and listen. That is all it takes. You were never bad at talking. You were just scared of being judged. But here is the truth. Everyone is scared. Everyone is nervous. Everyone is waiting for someone kind enough to start. Be that person. Start the conversation. And watch what happens. If this helped you today, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs confidence. and subscribe to Word Glow channel. Because here we don't just tell stories, we give you tools to live better. One word at a time.